Assalamu alaikum, class 1 students. I hope you all are fine at your homes. Okay, now this is the video number 3 of your subject SST. Now everybody take out your books and open page number 47 of your book. Write the date on the top of the page. Now we will start the new topic. Models are small. What are models? You have seen in your background, in your environment, there are some three-dimensional things built, like the shape and the picture of any building, of any car, of any toy, like bus, car, any house. So the three-dimensional image, three-dimensional picture or a shape is called a model. Like in this picture, you can see in a very clear manner that there is a car, an original car, and a boy is holding a red car in his hand. The car is the same as the original one, but it's a model car. The red one is a small car, but it's a model car, and each and everything is the same, but it's a model, so obviously it cannot be the same shape and same like the original one. Okay, now what are models? Peter's father has a new car. The Peter father has a new car. Peter has a model of his father's car. As I told you that Peter is holding a red car and it's look like the model of the his father's car. Peter's car is small. He cannot sit in it. Okay. Now the red car is very small, although it's a similar one, but it's a small. He can't sit and can't drive while sitting in the car. His father's car is very big. All the family can sit in it, and obviously the original one is very big car, original car, and everybody can sit in the car because it's the original one, and the model is the same, but the size is small, shape is small. So this is the difference of the original one and the model. Now come to the second picture. Maha is holding the model of an aeroplane. As you see in the picture, the aeroplane is flying, and Maha is holding a picture, a model of a aeroplane, same like the aeroplane which is flying, but she can't sit in this aeroplane. The aeroplane at the airport is much bigger than its model. Obviously, the aeroplane is much bigger. You can't make the model like this. You can make exactly the same model, but in a small size. A model of something is exactly like a real thing, but is many times smaller. As I have told you before, that you can make the same model, but it's a small one. Okay, it's the size or and the shape of the model is always the small one. It's exactly the same from the outer side, but the functions, and if you are making any transport, you can't sit in that model. So this is the explanation of the models, that what are models and what are the real pictures. Now turn the page for the exercise. On page number 48, write down the date on the top of the page. Here are two blanks, just two blanks, two true false. Okay, number a model is bigger than the real thing. A model is always the smaller, so the blank, in this blank we will write false here. Number 2, Peter's model car looks just like his father. This blank is true because Peter has made the same red color car as his father's cars, but he can't sit in it, but the model of the car is same. So this is the book work of this topic. Now take out your copies, everyone. Leave one page for the title page. Write down the heading of the models are small as a title of this chapter, and on the next page write down the date on the page, and start the difficult words. Write down the heading of the difficult words. I am pronouncing the difficult words. Number 1 is model, number 2 is family, number 3 is aeroplane, number 4 exactly, number 5 is bigger. So these are the difficult words of this topic. Now turn the page and write down the heading of the question answer. There is only one question. Name some toys that are models of real things. You have to name some of the things that you can on which you can make the models of the real things. Okay, like the car, aeroplane, ship, kitchen set, bus, or whatever you think, you can write it by yourself also. So this is the copy work and the book work of this topic. I hope so you all have understood it and do complete the work. And in the next video we will start the next topic inshallah. So till there, take care and Allah Hafiz.